everybody, welcome to Grandpa's Garage. Well, I'm out here at Tom's place and he's going to demonstrate and use his little stand-up skid steer that he got. Check this thing out. Look at this, you stand on the thing. He's got a bucket, he's got forks, he's got a log grapple, he's got some darn chewy thing for going in the bush, smoothing out gravel. He's going down to get this pontoon thingamabob. Wants to see if he can move it with this. This thing weighs 2 tons, powered by a Honda engine. So he's going to try and grab this. So he's got this thing that he rigged up for tow, and he made this attachment. That ball too big for that? Probably. Look at this rig. That's what I thought. Too big a ball. Quite a neat little machine though. So he's got a lot of trailers and things here. They can just drive up with this thing, hook on and bugger off with it. I'll show you here, my engine's still sitting out here in the snow. The 306 is under this tarp. My chassis is over here. We never did get it finished before the snow came, but there sits the 78 Ford. That's just the neatest thing though, ain't it? Bye for now.